Okay, I'm turning off the positive pump and letting just the negative pump run, so I can suck away all the excess fuel in the dremel. I'm now turning on the positive pump and attempting to make up the difference in the fuel. You can see inside the nozzle, right where the filament rests on the connector plate and is sandwiched there by the nozzle plate, where the fuel will start to enter into the chamber where the filament is. 6.86 volts. You can see the level of the fluid of the fuel rising and falling. We start from 6.5 volts. Here we go. You can see the inlet nozzle is getting vapor, but is otherwise relatively dry around the filament. Now as I go to 6.75 volts, you can see, once it equilibrates, a bit more fluid entering the filament chamber, where the contacts are. And if I increase it again to 7 volts, you should see a continuous meniscus form right where the contacts are, and some fluid start to leak out onto the nozzle plate. You can see that the filament is just being covered by the fuel now, periodically anyways. So if I turn it up a little further still to 7.15 or 7.2 volts, I can completely engulf the filament. In fact, if I turn all the way to 7.2, it should essentially keep fuel over the top of the filament at all times. So that's encouraging. Looks like I can actually control the level of the meniscus in the chamber and control where the meniscus rests inside the nozzle, at least to a point. It's not super duper stable. We really need some smoother flowing pumps to make this work, but it's a start. So let me turn it up a little further and see how far it will go.